Hey guys, so many people ask me, how do you live stream onto YouTube your Zooms? And the reason why I get that question asked a few times is one, obviously it's great to be able to share any public event that you're doing on a Zoom meeting, like I do with my LinkedIn for Breakfast event. So I Zoom, I invite people along to a Zoom, I give them a bit of a webinar, seminar, whatever you're doing. But I also want to then stream it onto YouTube. One, because I get people watching it live on YouTube, but two, my team will sometimes take those recordings and then share those out to other people who might have missed it. And so it saves me having to record the Zoom on Zoom, download the recording, then upload the recording to YouTube and then share it. It just means that it streams it live, so all of the stuff is done and they just share the live stream video on there. So that works super well. In fact, I'll show you actually what are we trying to achieve here. So if I go onto my YouTube here, you will see once this loads that if you go into live here, oh hello, don't press the button before it goes change it. You go to live here, and it will then show all these different live streams on here. So if I ever want to go share a recording, so for example this one, how to have an all-star LinkedIn profile, this is a video that I did from an event, and I just streamed it here, which means that I could go get the link, press share, and then I can share it out to anybody that missed it and wants the replay, right? So works super well, and definitely something you want to do. But to do it through Zoom, you have to enable it first. So if we gravitate towards the Zoom homepage, so you need to log on. This is the best way to do it. Actually log on through the browser and you'll come into your homepage like this. You need to enable the ability to stream live so it actually shows up as an option. It won't be there naturally, right? So on the left-hand side, you want to go down to settings, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you'll then go into meeting, which is here, and you need to go in meeting at the top and then go to in meeting advanced here, which takes you down to a load of options. Now you have to keep on scrolling down because these are all the advanced options until finally you come to a section that is allow live streaming on meetings. And when you first start, you'll probably have all of these unticked like this. So what you want to do is you want to just go and tick the ones that are important to you, right? And the most important one is the YouTube one. So it goes to show you can also stream it on Facebook as well. You can stream it on a custom live streaming service. So for example, if your Fathom's recording, or if you want to go and stream it into something like a StreamYard, and then ironically StreamYard could then go and stream it into LinkedIn. There is not a LinkedIn feature. So unfortunately, that's not in there. It would be a lot easier if it was. The way you would get around that is by doing it through a custom live streaming service link. Now, I won't do that on today's video because today's video is just around how do you live stream your YouTube videos and Facebook videos directly into it, specifically YouTube. And you want to click that button. Once you've done it, press save. Job done. That's now updated, right? Then what we want to do is then start a Zoom meeting. So you jump into a Zoom. I'm just going to launch just a normal meeting in here. So hopefully, as I'm screen recording this and we go into this meeting, you should be able to see the features. It's just going to take a little second because I'm recording this plus loading this up. But here we go. So let's just get rid of some of this stuff. Let's load up my workplace. Right, great. So now, once we're up here, you can see we're into Zoom, and along the bottom is the normal record, but actually we don't normally want to do record. We want to go here and we want to click this button and then go live stream. And you can now see, look, I've got live stream, I've got the YouTube, and I've got the custom streaming service. So that's now showed up. It wasn't there before if you didn't have that, right? So now I click on YouTube and it will take me through to a page that looks like this. It'll just ask you to log on to your YouTube account, so just choose the right one for you. I've got a few on my Gmail, which is why it's given a few options. And then once you do it, you can then go, hey, I'd like to go live on this. I can name it, live stream demo. You can make it public if you want to do it public, or what I tend to do is unlisted. So I might unlist it and then I can use that. So for example, if I'm doing client calls, like client drop-in clinics and stuff that's just for clients, I'll do it as unlisted and then I'll post that within my private client community. And again, that saves the time of having to download and then re-upload it. Or if I'm doing it publicly on my LinkedIn for Breakfast or my public webinars, then I'll just make it public like that, and I'll do it that way. So if I go unlisted, you can check the resolution. Most of the time it just stays at that standard resolution, and you can click go live, and in a second it's going to prepare the live stream. And there's like 3 things streaming at the moment. I'm in a Zoom meeting, I'm preparing a live stream, and I'm doing this screencast. So hopefully my machine doesn't completely have a heart attack whilst doing this. But thank God it's not. And you'll be able to see that I'm going live now. So this is me going live. This is currently live stream. Now if I go back to my Zoom meeting, let me select a different camera over here. How's that going to work for me? And then I click that on. Hey, so this is my other camera over here. Hello, how you doing? And then I've got my audio on. And then if I minimize myself here and go to my live stream that's happening now, in a second when this thing catches up, it will hopefully start showing the actual, because there's a slight delay on the live stream, and in a second, there you go. It's just come on, so actually that's me live streaming. That's my wife walking in.
Oh.
There you go. So there you are. So always the best things can happen. So gang, that is how you live stream. I love it. I hope that's been of help, and look forward to seeing all your wonderful live streams. And there's my wife perfectly finishing this lovely demo. Big love, take care. See you on the flip side.